Welcome to Good Health, Good Life. In this video, we discuss how to reduce blood sugar level naturally with home remedies. So, we are going to discuss 5 home remedies which will help to control diabetes and reduce blood sugar naturally. Let's start. What are the benefits it has and how to prepare the recipe and how to use the instruction. The first recipe with Jira. Jira has a great Ayurvedic properties which will help to control blood sugar. What you have to do? You have to take 1 teaspoon of Jira powder. You have to mix with 1 glass of water. So I repeat the instruction. Take 1 teaspoon of full Jira powder. Mix with 1 glass of water. Take daily 2 times with your own comfortable time. It controls sugar level in diabetic patients. And the recipe 2, Meshashringi, in Hindi it's called Gadhmar. This is a research proven recommended recipe for the diabetes. So you have to take with warm water. I'll repeat the instruction. You have to take 5 grams of Meshashringi leaves powder. So this powder is available on the online on the market. So readily the powder is available. You have to buy that powder and you have to just mix with water. So what you have to do? Mix with 1 cup of warm water. Take 2 times a day before food. So it is recommended before food. Regular intake is useful to control diabetes mellitus. So this is excellent for controlling diabetes and blood sugar level. Research study has said that high doses of this medicine will regenerate beta cells of pancreas. So there is a lot of research happened on this. So this is highly recommended for to reduce the blood sugar naturally. And recipe number 3, Methi seeds powder. You have to take 5 grams. And turmeric powders of 5 grams. And 1 cup or 1 glass warm water. You have to mix well this methi seeds of 5 grams and the turmeric powder in the 1 cup of or 1 glass of water, and you have to mix well and dilute well and drink daily. This is an excellent for to control blood sugar, preferably on empty stomach. So this is highly recommended on empty stomachs, either in the early morning or in the evening. So or in the when you before going to bed. So this is also recommended. And the recipe number 4, curry leaves powder. So as we know, curry we most oftenly use for our daily kitchen. So what we have to do? You have to take 5 to 10 grams of curry leaves powder. Even curry leaves powder also available in the market, or else you can prepare in the kitchen by grinding. And you have to take 1 cup of warm water. And I'll repeat the instruction. Take 5 to 10 grams of dried powder of curry leaves, and it's consumed preferably during empty stomachs in the early morning or in the evening. So I repeat, mix curry leaves powder with 1 cup of warm water, dilute well and take preferably in empty stomachs either in the morning or in the evening. Recommended 2 times a day. Very effective for diabetes. And the recipe number 5, what you have to do? You have to take 5 grams of red sandalwood powder, which is rarely available. It is available on the online or in the market, and it should be a medical grade. So you have to buy the powder online or in the market, and you have to take 5 grams of red sandalwood powder and amlaki powder what we call as an amla powder of 5 grams and mix with 1 glass of warm water. I repeat the instruction, take 5 grams of sandalwood powder, that's red sandalwood powder, and 5 grams of amla powder, mix with 1 glass of warm water and dilute well, and 2 times a day for 3 months. If you want to get a good result or excellent results, take 2 times a day for 3 months. And very effective in diabetes and urinary related problems. So far we have discussed top 5 recommended home remedies for to reduce blood sugar level and control the diabetes. I am sure we are going to get benefits with these remedies and these recipe, and please do get the results and please do comment your results on the comment box.